Good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with Unilag Mathematics Post UTME screening pass question 4. We have values 17, 34, 51 and 68. Now this particular question is asking us for the next value after 68. Now if you are given a question like this, you look for the similarity or the sequence in which these numbers are being written down. On this particular question, when you do 68 minus 51, you get what? You get 17. If you do 51 minus 34, you get 17. You do 34 minus 17, you still get 17. Now from this, you agree with me that the difference between each of them is 17. Now this is actually a topic in maths. That's the sequence, and these numbers are actually written in sequence. Now the formula for finding any term, let's say Tn equals to n a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Now these numbers are written in sequence like I told you. Now this is 1, this is the first number, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. Now the number we are looking for is the fifth number. So by using this formula, you say T5 equals to A, which is 17, plus 5, which is n minus 1, then multiply by the difference, which is 17. Now if you do that, you have 17 plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 gives you 4 times 17. Now once you sum up your number, you get 85. 85 is the correct answer. So the fifth term in this sequence is 85. That's what the question is asking us to find. So the answer to this particular question is D, 85. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.